Good morning. We have some conditions out there that are a little bit on the foggy side, cloudy side. You can see those low-level clouds this morning greeting us. And right now visibilities are okay, but just something to keep in mind that we are seeing some clouds and some low-level clouds this morning. And street crews are out treating the roads too. So be aware that there might be some frosty conditions too in those places that they haven't gotten to. Yesterday's morning commute was pretty slick because of some frosty road surfaces, and we may be dealing with that again today. Here's a look at our temperatures right now. We are seeing some much milder numbers into the south. We're looking at temperatures there that are into the teens to even 21 degrees right now in Wahpeton. Up to the north and northwest, that's where it's colder. We're at 2 below in Langdon and in Devil's Lake. Grand Forks is at 4, and the mildest temperatures again are going to be down to the south here this morning. Now, as we work our way into the daytime hours today, we'll all see some really nice mild temperatures develop yet again. Wind is pretty light. We're looking at 5 to 15 miles per hour. We're seeing some wind speeds that are either out of the east or out of the north here this morning, and wind chills are down into that single digit below zero range in some spots. Other places we don't have much wind at all, and it's not impacting us. So a big range of conditions out there right now. We're at 8 below for your wind chill in Grand Forks. In contrast, Wahpeton, there's really not much wind, so we're not being impacted by it. So it feels like our temperature is our 21 degrees there. So here's a look at our visibility. It's pretty quiet for us today, but there are some places where there's a little bit of a lowering happening in Oaks and in Gwinner and up toward Candu. We're at 9, which isn't too bad, but just a sign that it's lowering a little bit. And then fog farther west from there. If you're heading into central North Dakota here today, you're going to be running into that this morning, and there may be some more development that happens as we progress through the morning here. A look at your radar and satellite map. We don't have any snow. That's great yet again, and we're looking at some more cloud cover over to the east, and generally we'll see some clearing happening as we progress through the day. Our hour-by-hour planner is going to be pretty quiet here for your Friday. We've got some cloud cover to start off this morning, temperatures that are generally in the teens. As we head into the afternoon, we rise into the upper teens to some low 20s. So similar to yesterday, with sunshine more likely the farther west you go, more cloud cover more likely the farther east you are. Our hour-by-hour planner into tonight keeps those temperatures up because the wind starts to kick in. This is 7 o'clock. We're doing okay. Temperatures into the teens. The wind starts to pick up late, and that will drive in some warm air. We're looking at temperatures that are going to be warmer to start the day tomorrow in most instances than how cool we'll be when we head to bed tonight. So warming up for your Saturday. So if you're heading out for Saturday to do some shopping, conditions, we're still below freezing, but conditions are better. If you're hitting the road to travel to your holiday destinations, looking pretty good. And of course, tailgating temperatures a lot better than they were last Saturday for the Bison game. So heading into the later part of the morning and into the noon hour, you can see everybody's into the 30s at that point. And then we can continue to build off of that. And we end up into some low to some mid 30s, even some upper 30s coming up for this afternoon. So rising above freezing today, rather Saturday in the valley. Today we'll be spending the day below freezing. And then Saturday night, keeping on that mild side as we transition into Sunday. Here's your photo. We've got a beautiful sunrise in the shot here. Thanks, Isaac, for sharing that. And look at your 7-day planner. A big week ahead. Of course, we've got the holiday coming up. We're going to see temperatures warmest this weekend. And then heading into the week, we'll see those numbers slide a little bit back down into the 20s, but still around average, even a little bit above that on some days. And our next chance for snow actually falls on Christmas Day. We'll see a chance for some light snow, mainly in the south, and no major systems at this point in time looking to threaten us at the moment here. But it may get a little more active after the Christmas holiday. Leading up to it, we're looking pretty good still.
Thank you, Lisa.
It's a classic winter tale that's transformed into a visual masterpiece. Now, coming up next, we'll tell you when you can see the FM Ballet's classic, The Nutcracker.